Make a great choice today with the 2018 F-Pace. The first Jaguar luxury performance SUV brings together sporty handling and dramatic beauty with everyday practicality and efficiency, and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, four-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system, fog lights, trip computer, compass. Your new ride is just a phone call away.